when a person can be said pious, which qualities can we look at that person, can we see at that person, and then we can say that person is pious?
And there are two kinds of commandment of Sharia. First are called awamir, and the second are called nawahi. What are awamir and what are nawahi? Awamir are those actions about that Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered us to do, as offering prayer, as paying zakah, as performing hajj, as observing fast, as paying services to our parents, as being well behaved and well mannered with others, fulfilling the rights of our neighbors. So these are the commandments which Allah Azza wa Jal has given us to do, not to abstain from that. The other thing is, the other actions are those from them Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered us to abstain, to refrain from them. As all the sins, Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered us to abstain from them. So those are called nawahi, means forbidden things. The first are commandments and the second are forbidden things. When a person follows Sharia in both matters, he does whatever Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered to do, and he abstains from those whatever Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered to abstain from. So that person will be considered as a pious person. And that's why there is some misconceptions in the mind of the people. Some people focus upon only virtuous deeds. They do what Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered to do, but they don't care about sin. They don't care about forbidden things. So these people are not. These people will never be considered as a pious people. For example, if a person offers 5 time prayers and he fulfills the duties of his parents and the duties of his family, but he commits some other sins. So though he is offering all the duties of Sharia and he is fulfilling all the responsibilities of his self, but if he is committing any sin, he is not considered as a pious person. The pious person is only that who does whatever Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered to do, and he abstains from all the sins. Allah Azza wa Jal said, وَعِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنِ الَّذِينَ يَمْشُونَ عَلَى الْأَرْضِ هَوْنًا وَإِذَا خَاطَبَهُمُ الْجَاهِلُونَ قَالُوا سَلَامًا وَالَّذِينَ يَبِيتُونَ لِرَبِّهِمْ سُجَّدًا وَقِيَامًا وَالَّذِينَ يَقُولُونَ رَبَّنَا اصْرِفْ عَنَّا عَذَابَ جَهَنَّمَ. And at the end, Allah Azza wa Jal said, وَلَا يَقْتُلُونَ النَّفْسَ الَّتِي حَرَّمَ اللَّهُ إِلَّا بِالْحَقِّ وَلَا يَزْنُونَ. In these ayah, both kind of commandments have been given. In the beginning, Allah Azza wa Jal is praising those people who are the special bondsmen of Allah, who are the special servants of Rahman, wa ibadur Rahman. What are their qualities? وَالَّذِينَ يَبِيتُونَ لِرَبِّهِمْ سُجَّدًا وَقِيَامًا. They spend their nights in the worshipping of Allah. They spend their nights in doing sajda and qiyam. They stand for worship. They prostrate in front of Allah all the night. And at the end of the night, they supplicate in the court of Allah, oh Allah, forgive us. So they do all these deeds. But along with all these deeds, they say, Allah Azza wa Jal is saying, وَلَا يَقْتُلُونَ النَّفْسَ الَّتِي حَرَّمَ اللَّهُ إِلَّا بِالْحَقِّ. They abstain from killing. They refrain from fornication. They refrain from polytheism, associating partner with Allah Azza wa Jal, and they abstain from telling a lie. So both kind of commandments are mentioned in this place. And in another places, in another ayah of the Holy Quran, the same method is explained. As in another place, Allah Azza wa Jalla said, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنِ اللَّغْوِ مُعْرِضُونَ وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِلزَّكَاةِ فَاعِلُونَ وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِفُرُوجِهِمْ حَافِظُونَ. First ayah, الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ. They become attentive in their prayer. They pay proper attention in their prayer. الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ. But in the second ayah, Allah Azza wa Jalla is saying, وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنِ اللَّغْوِ مُعْرِضُونَ. They abstain from indecent things. But then in the third ayah, Allah Azza wa Jalla is saying, وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِلزَّكَاةِ فَاعِلُونَ. Who purify themselves or who pay zakah. But in the next ayah, Allah Azza wa Jalla is saying, وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِفُرُوجِهِمْ حَافِظُونَ. They try to abstain from fornication and all the related actions. So in 4 ayah, 2 are commandments, what they have to do, and 2 are commandments from them they have to abstain from. So in the light of these ayat in Mubarakah, we can say that the pious person is that who does whatever Allah Azza wa Jalla has commanded him to do, and he abstains from all the sins.